So this is what I'm working on today. Do that box. I've got the bought and replacement pieces. Grandpa had bought before he gave me the truck to go in here. And they go from pretty much here to here and down to probably about here. But then I've got to rebuild all this and that. And this. And this. And all of this. And that. And that. Shouldn't be that big of a job. Put this piece in here last night. Didn't have the camera with me last night, so I didn't get a before and after, but that cross member was starting to look kind of seedy, so I put a piece of galvanized in it. Should last for a while. Shot it with undercoating already. And that's today's chore. At least I know my wheel wells are watertight. And for this, I got looking at it, I'm going to have to fix this before I can fix this. It's supposed to look like that. And it doesn't. Cab corners and see them a little better in the daylight. Yeah, I used pieces off the old front fenders that I took off of this. I rebuilt the cab corners. Front and back cab corners actually. There's other than rot at the bottom of the fenders and around the wheel wells. I hit the stop record button by accident. And I think I hit my thumb over the mic. There, a little easier to see what I've done in the daylight. So I gotta figure out what's wrong with my doors, because they don't seem to be closing tight at the top. I think I got a spring hinge on the passenger side at least. There's the wheel well on the driver's side put in. Gonna have to do a lot of Bondo work because I cut the hole too big. But I'll deal with it. This corner's going to be fun here because I have nothing to build off of. Don't even have a template to build it from. Gonna have to make it by guesswork. This ain't going to be much better. But there's half that side done. Right there's the car that my rear view mirror come out of. Note that it is in rather rough shape. Glass in it's still good. Even the windshield, surprisingly. No subframe. Yeah, the subframe's laying over there. Front clip's laying there. Funnily enough, sitting here in the grass, and the front clip on this looks better than the front fenders on my truck did. And the truck's 20 years newer. Go figure. Can't really see the floor. There's that corner done. And damn, it's ugly. I thought I did a bad job on the cab corners. But, you know, work with what you got. I had to cut the roof out of a 75 Nova for this. Yeah, picture that. Use a 30-year-old Chev body metal, 35-year-old Chev body metal, to fix an 18-year-old Ford. And the Chev's been sitting in the woods for 20 years. Tell me that makes sense. Well, that kind of slowed things down a little bit. Downpour rain, water all over everything now. Not impressed. There. Metal's all in the driver's side. It looks like shit, but it's in there. Here you can see I loaded the undercoat into it. That stuff right there. There's some asshole talk behind my back again. And I loaded the undercoat into it. Used more than half a can on this side alone. That's the only side I've got done. Haven't built fender struts yet. And then I got reminded about the seams. Nice vertical stripes. Now I gotta clean the box up before I do the body color, and I'll just clean that off at that point in time. But this side, there's no more rotten metal. So it looks like it's all I'm going to get done for this weekend. Time to pack up and go home for another week. But progress anyway. Piece cut for this corner. I haven't got time to put it on. We'll get to it next week. Get the back piece on it for fastening it on anyway. And there it is there. Just haven't got time to put it in.